Hey guys, I'm going to make this short and sweet. This is day 4 of your persuasive writing. You can see on the page I've essentially posted the exact same stuff as yesterday's, which was day 3. That was the first reason paragraph that we developed with going through and stating a reason, citing evidence from the video, and then explaining why, and then give another piece of evidence from the video and explain why. And so that was your first paragraph for your first reason. I said, don't worry about the second reason. Well, today is the second reason. You're going to repeat the whole process again one more time for your second reason. Remember, for me, for the Frozen ride, I said, okay, first reason was related to the music and how just all the good things about why the Frozen soundtrack being in the ride, why that was a good thing. Day 2, I come up with a second reason. So it might be that it's a water ride. And I've already talked a little bit about the good things, so I'll go through the process again. So I did not create a new example here or model it because you can go back to the video from yesterday and remind yourself what to do, but you're just doing the same thing with your second reason in developing that second body paragraph. So if you have any questions, let me know, but if you did a good job yesterday, I'm sure you'll do a great job today. Thanks.